Hello and welcome back. This is Ashkur Rafi once again. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up Google Analytics new version on any WordPress website so that you will be able to track your visitors' activities, like from which resource they are coming into your website, what are the blog posts your visitors are loving the most, how long they are staying on your website, and many other parameters, so that you will be able to analyze the data and then you can optimize based on their preferences to get the most out of your blog site or any website. So without further ado, let me show you how we can set up a complete new Google Analytics account, how we can set up the analytics reporting on a WordPress website step by step. So let me take you to a new window here, and after that I have to make a search for Google Analytics, and here it is. If I click here, you are going to find the first link, analytics.google.com. So we have to click here and it is going to take you to your Google login page where you have to sign in using your Gmail account. So I'm going to use an account here. I'm going to provide the account details and let me put the password and hitting enter. And now it is going to take us to the Google Analytics homepage, from where we'll be able to set everything up. As you can see here, welcome to Google Analytics. Google Analytics give you the free tools you need to analyze data for your business in one place so you can make smarter decisions. So now, as you can see, we are starting from the brand new conditions. So let me click on this start measuring button right here, and after that you will be landed right here in this page where you have to provide your account information. So if you just notice, the website I am going to set up the analytics for is a portfolio website. So I'm going to type a name here, let's say Ajharul's portfolio site, just as an example. And after that, as you can see, account data sharing settings, you can select all of these options to provide some information. Then you have to click on this next button right here, and after that you have got this option for property details, where as you can see you have to provide the property name. So create a Google Analytics 4 property to measure your web or app data. So here I'm going to provide the property name, which is again Ajharul's portfolio site. And after that we have got reporting time zone. So you can select your time zone here. So for example, if I want to select Bangladesh, just take a look, I have got the GMT +6 Bangladesh time zone, but I'd love to go with the United States version because I mostly operate my business, or I mostly stay active on that working hours. So let me select United States from here. You can select based on your preference. And after that, select the currency you would love to go with. So I'd love to keep it to US dollars as it is. And after that, I would love to click here on this show advanced options to activate the previous or the universal analytics property for this setup. So let me just click on this button, and after that I'm going to provide my website URL. So if you just notice, here is the website URL. I'm going to select it from here, and after that I'm going to provide the URL right here. So before that I have to provide www, and then as you can see, create both a Google Analytics 4, which is the new version, and a universal analytics property. Universal analytics is the previous version, right? So we are going to create for the both measurement or the both platform. And then let me click on this next button, and after that you have to provide your business information. And here, as you can see, industry category. So I'd love to select a category from here, let's say internet and telecom, and you can select based on your niche. And after that, the business size, I have got 1 to 10 employees, which is actually me personally. And then how do you intend to use Google Analytics with your business? So you have to select whatever your goal is from this list, or you can select every listing available here. So I'm going to type out, or to select measure customer engagement with my site or app, optimize my site or app experience, then measure data across multiple devices or platforms, optimize my advertising cost, increase my, I'm actually going to select everything from here. Okay, so I don't have an app, but I'd love to go with lead generation for future procedures. Now I have to simply click on this create button right here, and then you are going to see the Google Analytics Terms of Service Agreement. So You have to read everything if you want to learn more about these things, but I'd love to select and then select. And after that, let's click on this I accept button right here. And after that, you are going to find this option, web stream details. Just take a look. We have got everything already settled, right? So now what we have to do, we can simply set this up with the, let me take you here. Yeah, here is the code, as you can see. So after coming up here, you are going to find this code which you have to provide on your head tag of the website. So we are actually going to use a plugin. So instead of putting these tags into the head, we are going to use a plugin to make everything easier for us. So let me take you to WordPress dashboard, and after that I have to go to plugins, and yeah, I have to click on this add new button right here. After that, I'm going to make a search for Monster, and here it is. I'm going to attach the link of this plugin into the video description for your easy access for sure. So after coming here, you just have to click on this install button, and it is going to be installed on your website. And let's just wait while it is being installed. After that, we have to activate the plugin. And here we go. We have got it installed. Now let's click on this activate button right here to activate the plugin so that we'll be able to use it for our usage. So here we go. Welcome to Monster Insight. We have to click on this launch the wizard button right here. After that, you are going to find these options, as you can see, which category best describe your business. So I'm going to select publisher, and after that you can select like business website if you have got an agency, or you can select for e-commerce store by simply clicking here. So I'd love to keep here, and then let me click on save and continue. And after that, you are going to find you are using Monster Insight Lite. If you are using the free version, you don't need any license. So this is great. So now we are going to click on this connect Monster Insights, and it is going to start authenticating the website, as you can see here. After that, login using your Gmail address that you used to create your account on Google Analytics. And here we go. We have got this site already added here. Now let's click on this complete connection. It is finalizing the authentication so that everything is going to be properly settled, as you can see. Now let's go a little bit down, and you're going to find these options. Let's click on save and continue, and after that we can simply click on this save and continue, and it is now going to check your website to see if everything just settled properly. And just take a look. Awesome, you are all set. Monster Insight is all set up and ready to use. So that means we have connected the site properly. And now if I click on this finish setup and exit wizard, it is going to take us to a new page. As you can see, loading setting. Just take a look. We have got website profile. Active profile is this one. So if I copy this ID, copy, and let's go back to analytics. And after that, if I take you a little bit down, and if I click here on this connected site text, let's click here and just take a look. We have got connected text. This one, if I hit Control F, Control V, you are going to see this ID is matching up with this ID. That means we are done with the website connection with Google Analytics. So let me take you back to Monster Insights. And after that, if I show you here from reports, we'll be able to see the reports like how many visitors are visiting our website, how many page views, how many sessions, etc. directly from our WordPress backend. Just take a look. Sessions, page views, average session duration, bounce rate. But it is going to take you like 2 to 3 hours to 24 hours to get everything updated. So please don't worry. Now let me take you back to analytics, and let's verify if we have done everything correctly. So let's cross this out, and if I click here, you are going to see we have got two properties. One is with the Universal Analytics, the older version, and another one is the GA4, Google Analytics 4, the new version. So let's go back to the older version, and let's click here. It is going to take us to the older versions of the analytics, and just take a look. We are seeing one visitor is visiting the site, and you can actually track the other way. If I click here on admin, and after that, if I take you back to tracking, take you to tracking info, and then if I click on tracking code, you are going to find this option. As you can see, one active user right now. So if I click on send test traffic, and here we go, we are going to see some numbers going to be changed here in real soon. And if it is not changing, let me take you here. I'm going to visit azharulrafi.com here on this page, and let's go back. And if we click on this real-time traffic reports from here, let's click here and just take a look. We have got 2 active users, and both of these people are from Sylhet, right? So one is coming up from this page and another one is coming up from this page, which I have just opened up. So everything settled perfectly on the site. We have done the proper setup of Google Analytics for the WordPress website. So this was it, guys. I believe you have found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give this video a like and let me know if you need more tutorials on Google Analytics from me. I would love to make more videos on this, like how to track the reporting, how all the features works on the Google Analytics dashboard. And please let me know your opinion by commenting below if you have got any question as well. And I have to see you in my next videos. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye bye.